This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and turning on Microsoft Rewards. This earns you points as you search and shop. Next, make sure you have a Roblox account ready and a way to receive Robux, either a linked payment method or an email for gift card codes. Once done, use Microsoft Edge for the best compatibility. It tracks activities reliably. Make sure your account region matches the rewards offers, because region mismatches block some redemptions. Now you focus on earning points efficiently, do daily sets and short quizzes, and check mobile offers for bonus points. Use Microsoft Edge for searches. Each qualifying search generates points, and you can stack searches to hit higher tiers. Also watch for limited-time punch cards and weekly streaks that boost earnings. Make sure to claim the dashboard bonus every day and sync your activity across devices so you don't miss small point opportunities that add up to Robux-level redemptions. Finally, use your accumulated points to redeem a Roblox gift card or a Microsoft gift card that buys Robux. Choose the denomination that fits your point balance. Once you redeem, copy the code and enter it on the Roblox gift card redemption page, or use the Microsoft balance to purchase Robux directly. If something goes wrong, first verify your Microsoft account region, confirm code expiration, and ensure the Roblox account is the intended recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.